Alright guys, so today I'm showing my opinion for the top 5 Nerf blasters for killing zombies. So, let me just grab 5th place. So, in 5th place, by the way, these are only the Nerf guns I have. So, there are better Nerf guns that I think that are better than these for killing zombies. But these are just the Nerf guns that I have currently. So, just don't judge. Don't judge on in the comments. So, alright. So, the 5th best that I have is the Nerf Maverick. I chose the Nerf Maverick is cool. It has a 6-star rotating drum. Yeah, 6-star rotating drum. It has a cool loadout system. You can spin it. It has a good cock. It has a tactical rail right here. It's basically the same thing as the strong arm, except for the only thing is the tactical rail is not right here, and the tactical rail is right here on the strong arm. And for the strong arm, it has slam fire. So just go like this, and then fire 6 darts. Alright, here is the 4th best one. Alright, so this is my long shot CS6. I chose it for the 4th, especially because this one's modified. You don't have to modify it, but mine was I got it off of eBay, but it was really old, so I had to modify it. It's really good because it's a double blaster because of this barrel. The barrel's a blaster itself. It's spring power. It shoots up to, say, around 50 feet far. It has a stock, like for ammo, a tactical rail on the top, a jam door right here, and it's got a bipod. This gun is my 4th best for killing zombies. Now, the 3rd best here is my Triad. In my opinion, the 3rd best is the Triad EX3. That's because it's a very small blaster, small pistol you can carry around, shoot zombies easily with. No stress, they won't even see it coming. And it shoots up to 90 feet. It's a very small transportable blaster. It holds 3 darts in it. And then you just go, and it's got this cool loadout. It's got this cool cocker right here. Just go, do that 3 times and you shot 3 zombies down. Alright, now for my 2nd. So my 2nd, I would have to say, is the crossbow. You see, the crossbow is good because it's a crossbow. It has a cool conker at the top. It comes with a 12-dart mag, 2 jam doors, jam door right here and a jam door right here. It's got a tactical rail for bipods. It's got a sight, and it's got slings, so you can sling it, and it has a cool cocker, but it's not spring powered or powered. It's string powered. String powered, okay? Not spring powered. String powered. And it's not automatic either. You have to cock. Now, right now, mine is jammed. That's why I can't shoot it. It's jammed and I can't figure out how to get the bullet out. So, you just pull it back and then fire, pull back, push forward and fire. Then, boom, it goes up to like 100 feet. All right. Now, for my opinion is the best gun for killing zombies. I gotta grab it. I want it to be a surprise for you guys. And the number one is the Rival Apollo XB700. Now, my dad said it doesn't really matter about the age when you get these, so I just went ahead and bought one. It's $25. I just really wanted a rival gun, and from Nerf Boy Productions I learned that these are some of the best guns in the world. It's got cool priming on the top, it's got a special tactical rail, the ammo goes in right here, it's got an ammo release, cool handle, cool trigger, it's got a trigger lock, a reset switch, and the cool rival logo right here, and the name of it. So this one's really cool because it shoots up to like, say, 150 feet, and it does a lot, and it has a lot of horsepower. And guess what? They're not even real darts. They're balls called rounds. See? So when I took it out, see? A small foam ball is called rounds. And that's my top 5 list for the top 5 Nerf guns you should use for slaying zombies. Alright, have a great day.